we are not doing anything here, right?
No, we have
Yes,
done the
yes.
HFE assessment. On that
Yes.
basis, we are not doing, but we will
Yeah.
list it here.
You can see, this one,
Yeah, chemical
9.13 treatment system.
So we are using
So
different.
Rakesh, we have two options. Either we say that this is not part of scope. If this is not part of scope,
No. Actually, it was part of scope, and as part of scope, we did human factor engineering. There was two options there. One option is as per existing, and second option is something else. So based on human factor engineering, option 1 selected, which is existing one only. But even though in option 1 selected, some additional safety measures added that is related to operational activity. So that is why it is in scope. You can mention in.
No, Sudeep, we have to be very, very careful. For HAZID scope, we are not doing HAZID for this because we are not doing any change. For your original EPC scope, you are doing, but we are not concerned. For HAZID, we are not doing HAZID for this scope.
Okay.
Because we are not changing anything.
See, that's what. See what we can do. We will list down. Okay, we will list down for chemical treatment system.
Okay.
HFE assessment was already carried out and referred to the HFE study recommendations for additional safety measures implementation, so that we can cover complete this thing. Okay.
Okay. Then I have to add here. Chemical treatment.
Yeah, chemical treatment.
13.
Chemical treatment system.
Package, right?
Chemical treatment system, not package. As per scope, it's system. Okay.
Okay. So then I have to go in the chemical, liquid chemical. Yeah, toxic liquid. You will put here.
Toxic liquids. Okay. In that one, toxic liquids, you have biocide, you have corrosion inhibitor, you have drag reducing agent.
Okay, you have biocide. So what to address here? How to put Rakesh here?
Yeah, you can put biocide and corrosion inhibitor applicable.
No additional concern.
Okay, applicable, no additional concern. You can put.
Correct, no additional concern.
No additional concern.
Okay, biocide and which other chemical?
Corrosion inhibitor.
Corrosion inhibitor, yes.
Yeah.
No additional concern. And what else? Initial inhibitor also?
No,
DRA you have. You can type it. If not, you can include that.
Okay. What is the chemical name?
It's a drag reducing agent.
Agent, yeah. DRA you can mention. DRA.
Drag reducing agent, you can type it.